Go into segment mode, highlight these segments and delete them, and then go back into vertex mode, come down and grab these ones, fuse and weld, fuse, weld. So now we have our O, and it's one complete spline with no crossovers. So you'll see, if I just put a test here to show you, if I hit extrude now, it's solid, and I can extrude that out as a 3D object now. I couldn't do that before while they were crossing over, so be very careful, especially if you select a different font than I've used here, which you probably will, that when you get crossovers, you will find that once you start to put modifiers on top, that your text disappears, and you need to work out, you need to know how to fix that up. So I'm just going to delete that extrude and get out of isolation mode. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and tweak up the rest of my letters. I'll pause the video and I'll come back and I'll show you what I did. So I've tweaked up my letters. You can see that I've added some arrows on the T here. I've put an arrow at the bottom, and I've sharpened up all of the other edges. I've put an arrow on the O as well, as it came across and pointed down towards the ground over here, and just sharpened up the top of the W, and also just generally went through and tweaked everything in the text. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to apply a modifier, but I'm going to apply it as an instance. So if I select all of my letters and then go into the modifier stack here, I can apply a bevel, which is an instance. You'll notice that it's in italics up in here. So if I select any one of these objects, they all have this bevel in italics, and it basically means that they're sharing